Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Feels super weird to say since I have been gone for almost 2 years off of YouTube. I just got caught up in life and I just couldn't really motivate myself to edit, and I know that sounds really stupid, but I just could not. So I was active on other social media. If you want to follow me, these are my socials. But one in particular that I got into was TikTok. And I am so obsessed with TikTok. I just sit there and watch it in all my spare time. So I decided that I would do a small series on my channel and revive my YouTube channel back from the dead and do things that TikTok made me buy. So this is the first one. So I'm going to start this series with the Revlon hair dry brush, whatever you want to call it. I have literally seen this everywhere, and I just got a haircut like a couple weeks ago, so my ends are fresh, and I felt like it was a good time to go ahead and buy this and try it out. So I am starting off with the Kenra blow dry spray. This is really good because it's a thermal protectant, so anytime you use heat, it's good to use something like this. And it just smells so good. I never really know when to stop. So I'm going to take my hair and section it. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with a small kind of section because I'm not really sure what to expect. So like many other hair dryers, this one has a cool, low, and high setting. So I am going to start on the high setting and then go lower if I need to. Okay, so it does take like a little bit of time to kind of get the section dry, but it's so nice and smooth, and I like this little like bend it has into it. Well, let me do this other little section. I'll be right back. Okay, so now that both sections on the bottom are dry, I kind of live for this like little I don't this little flip. I think it's so cute. Okay, so let's just kind of keep working our way up. So let's pull down another section. I will say it does kind of take a second to dry the hair fully, which is fine. My hair is damp right now and it's fine in texture, but it did kind of seem like it took a little second to get those pieces dry. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of keep working my way up, and then once we get to the front, I'll go into detail about that. I feel like wearing lip gloss was a major fail on my part. But so far I don't smell like any burning hair smell, and it's getting, oh, this isn't dry, it's getting stuff kind of nice and smooth. So I do think that it is smoothing everything out nicely and giving me like very much Cher Horowitz vibes at the bottom. I think that the bristles just kind of, since they're mixed bristles, I think that does help to add the extra shine in there. So let's go ahead and take down this little front part. So I have these two, like, it's not like curtain bangs type things, but they're like shorter than everything else. Okay, so for the front, I'm going to kind of like do everything like back. I gotta figure out which pieces are supposed to be in here because some of these are long. Okay, let me like dry that. Oh god. So these are like my little like shorter pieces that I'm just gonna kind of blow back because I want them to kind of like frame. Also, let me go ahead and blow dry those pieces out of the way first. I'm so rusty today. So now we're gonna do these up. I'm getting hot. And I'm actually gonna do this on low. I'm gonna do it back, but kind of like pull it forward. Okay, so here is the finished look. I really actually love it. Is this quicker than using like a round brush and an actual dryer? No, but if you're not coordinated enough to use a blow dryer with a round brush, this is awesome. I don't know if you guys know, if you're new to me, I am a hairstylist, and so I can blow dry other people's hair, but I have the worst time trying to blow dry my hair, and I think it's just because like I'm used to the pattern of it in front of me. So like on me and behind me, it just doesn't make any sense. So something like this is really good for me. I will say that it does get really hot, so definitely use a heat protectant. If you feel like your hair's blowing around too much as it starts to dry, just pop it down to the low setting, and then I don't actually know if the cool setting really did anything. I think it was just like lukewarm air, so because this little thing in here stays hot, like it's hot to the touch. So that's another thing, is just when you're like pulling and everything, just make sure where your fingers are because that gets like super hot. But anyways, otherwise, like I would say that it's really good. I know there's a couple different ones on the market right now. This was the one that kept popping up on my end. So it's affordable, and I got it at Ulta, and I used some of my Ulta points that I had saved up, so I got a little money off. But definitely check to see if there's like any sales going on. And yeah, so I definitely would recommend this, and I think I'm definitely going to take it with me on like future like trips whenever we can go on like trips normally again. Thank you guys so much for watching. I apologize if this seemed like super like, I gotta get back into the swing of like making videos and content. If you are new, please subscribe if you enjoyed this video for more videos coming up, and please follow me on socials, especially TikTok, because I'm very active on there and I do a lot of like cool kind of makeup. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.